Hello everybody, today I'm in the airport to see some airplane. Come on. This is Vietnam Airlines, not heavy. And then, excuse me. And this is Air Asia. And this is, I don't know, I can't read this clearly.
Wow.
And this one, Malaysia Airlines. This one is flying to Vietnam. And this one is flying to Malaysia.
Why?
Oh, because this is Malaysia and this Vietnam.
Why Malaysia to go Vietnam?
Also, this one going to Hong Kong. And this one going to South Korea. And this one, Air Asia, will go to Cambodia.
Cambodia.
Have this. We have America.
America too?
Yeah.
Chà.
Look,
So
we
you're
have
so rich,
wheels.
baby, huh?
We have
Even
wheels.
wheel?
It can move, but we have to get this out and we can play. And then this one is going to Scotland.
Scotland, okay.
And this one I can't
Anh có
read.
thể nói to hơn được không? Giới thiệu hơi nhỏ.
Okay. Here, this is very big. British Airways.
So go where?
It's going to. I know. It's going to the sky for an adventure. No. It's going to another country. What?
Iceland.
South. No.
This is England. That is coming from England country. So where from?
So I'm gonna do it from Russia.
Russia now is fighting now, Lily.
Okay, so
How can you go?
I cannot go. And bye. I'm going to Malaysia.
Malaysia, okay. Malaysia have a lot of airplane flying.
Okay, never mind.
Missing.
I'm going to Cambodia. No, I already do Cambodia for the other airplane. So where can I go?
How about Australia?
Australia, no.
Why not?
Because
You don't have the flight to Australia yet.
yeah,
How about Japan?
Japan. What the problem they have in Japan?
Nothing. Very funny now. Beautiful weather now. A lot of falling down, flowering.
Okay, so I'm gonna do this one go to Japan, this one go to Cambodia, and go to Japan, Cambodia, and what can I do?
Malaysia.
Malaysia, and this one Russia,
Okay, Russia.
but they're fighting.
No, America.
But it's already my America.
Choose somewhere else. Australia.
Australia, and
Spain.
Spain. Oh, this Malaysia. Oh, Spain.
Okay. Dở hơi lắm. Thôi rồi.
I'm from here, Vietnam Airlines. Eat that one. Oh, there's a typhoon coming. And up the sky make us sink. Everybody go to lifeboat at a lifeboat and go to Malaysia Airlines. And they go into Hong Kong. And then this one, yeah, all the people from Malaysia Airlines go here to America. No, where's America going before? Australia, right? I go to Australia, and then go to. Where's this one going?
Spain.
Spain. Okay, so come on, all the people. And then, it's crashing again. Let's go to Japan. Okay. Japan, we're in Japan. It's already done, and we already flying to Japan.
Okay.
Let's put our life buddy inside the house. Bye! If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe for Lucia Gal. Bye. I'm going to the toilet.